Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Sunday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some new Dollar General digital coupons to clip to our accounts, and we have a glitch to talk about as well. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so, and don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go, and also take a second to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright, so taking a quick look at our insert schedule for today, which is August the 14th. According to this, we should be receiving a Smart Source insert in today's newspapers. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right into our new Dollar General digital coupons. And of course, go ahead and clip your file of 25 for next Saturday, which is going to be August the 20th. And right beside that, we have our Back to School 3 off 15 DG store coupon. Now, last week, at some point, Dollar General did a little switcheroo on us. We had our original 3 off 15 back to school coupon. It wasn't supposed to expire until the 19th, and it was working on all the back to school items, household and cleaning supplies, like the coupon states. It was working as it was supposed to. However, like I said, at some point last week, DG did a little switcheroo on us. They pulled that coupon and replaced it with this new back to school coupon, and with this one, it is not working on the household and cleaning supplies like the last one was, unfortunately. Or, I will say, at least as far as I can tell. If anybody has tried anything and had this coupon work on household or cleaning supplies, please let me know how it went down in the comment section below. But either way, if you want to use that coupon, go ahead and clip it to your account because you have to use it by Friday. Alright, moving on down. Now, here was a nice surprise this morning. I have a couple of exclusive coupons on this account. So I did receive the 2 off 1 Downy liquid fabric softener 77 ounce bottles. And then I also received a 150 off 1 Downy fabric softener for the 32 ounce or the 51 ounce bottles. So last Sunday, I do believe, is when a lot of accounts received those exclusive coupons. I did make a post about it on the community tab. So if you have received any of these this week, make sure that you go ahead and clip them because they are high value coupons. Alright, now if you did receive these exclusive coupons, you're going to want to be careful not to clip the lower value coupons because I do believe we have 3 other Downy coupons that are 1 off 1, so those are going to be lower value coupons for this week. Alright, so if you have the 2 off 1 Downy, this does work on the 77 ounce bottles. They are priced at $6.95, so after the coupon you're going to pay $4.95. And for the 150 off 1 Downy, those are priced at $5. After the coupon you're going to pay $3.50, and that works on the 32 ounce bottles or the 51 ounce bottles. Alright, moving right along here, we have a 1 off 1 for the Scott bath tissue. So we have the 12 count family rolls, family pack. Those are on sale this week for $4.75. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.75. Next up, we have 1 off 1 for the Cottonelle toilet paper. The 12 count is priced at $5, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $4. We have a new 2 off 1 for the Gain laundry products. Those are priced at $7.50, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $5.50. We have a 1 off 1 for the Colgate toothpaste. This does work on the Max Fresh toothpaste. Those are priced at $2.95. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.95. And here is a little bit of a disappointment. We have a 50-cent off 1 digital coupon for the Scott paper towels. So that coupon has went down in value. We used to receive a 1 off 1. They have now lowered it to a 50-cent off 1. So these are priced at $6 now for the 6 count. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $5.50. And unfortunately, we do not have that instant savings on Scott brand products this week. Maybe next week. Fingers crossed, alright? Moving on down, there is a 1 off 1 for the Downy fabric softener, the sheets, or the scent boosters. So these are priced at $5. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4. Alright, moving on, we have a 1 off 1 for the All or Snuggle products. Those are on sale this week for $4.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. And unfortunately, the instant savings on Snuggle, All, and Purex did end yesterday. Alright, we have Tide Simply. We have 50 cents off one for the Lysol products. So if you want to pick up the all-purpose spray bottles, the cleaner, those are priced at $2.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2. And keep in mind, we do have some really awesome Ibotta rebates on Lysol products right now. Alright, moving on down, here is another one-off-one digital coupon for the Downy fabric softeners, the scent beads, or the sheets. Again, those are priced at $5, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $4. I'm going to hold off on clipping this one for now, just until I can figure out exactly how I want my scenarios to look, because I definitely want to take advantage of those higher value coupons first. Alright, moving on down here, we have a 3-off-1 for the Gain laundry products. Those are priced at $15.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $12.95. We have a 2-off-1 for the Tide and Bounce products. Those are priced at $9.95. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $7.95. We have a 1-off-2 for the Nabisco cookies or crackers. There's a lot that works with this coupon, but the lowest priced item are the Ritz cheese crispers, the Triscuit crackers, or the wheat thins. Those are priced at $2, so pick up 2 boxes. Use this coupon, you're going to pay $3 for 2. Next up, we have 2-off-1 for the Schick Classic or Skintimate razors. Now they're at $5.35. With this coupon, you're going to pay $3.35. Alright guys, next up we have 150 off one for the Swagbucks fabric softener. These are on sale this week for $3.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2. We also have a 1-off-1 for the Ajax 52-ounce dish liquids. Those are also on sale this week for $3.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.50. We have that 2-off-1 for the All in Purex products. That coupon is back. We also have a 50-cent off one for the Palmolive dish soap. These are priced at $3.25, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.75. We have 1-off-1 for the Kleenex bundle pack. Those are priced at $5.50. Next up, we have 1-off-1 for the Eddie's ice cream. These are on sale for $3.50, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.50. Moving on down, we have 1-off-2 for the Outshine. We also have a 1-off-2 for the Pledge and Windex products. And we have a 1-off-1 for the Edge or Skintimate shave gels. Those are priced at $3.65, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.65. And right underneath that, we have a 1-off-2 for the Snapple Elements. Here's a pretty good filler item. These are on sale too for $2.50, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.50 for 2. Moving on down, we have Goldfish. We also have a 150 off one for the Nivea body lotions. We have a 4-off-2 for the U by Kotex products. So these start out at $3.65. If you want to pick up 2 of those, use this coupon. You're going to pay $3.30 for 2. Alright, moving on down. We have 1-off-1 for the Downy. As I told you all earlier, I do have that higher value coupon of 2-off-1 that I showed you all at the beginning of the video. So I'm going to pass on clipping this one for now. We also have a 1-off-1 for the Irish Spring and Soft Soap Body Wash. If you want to pick up the soft soap, that is the lowest priced item at $5.25. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.25. We also have a 2-off-1 for the Arm & Hammer laundry detergent. This is on the larger sizes, so these are priced at $10. After the coupon, you'll pay $8. We have a 3-off-2 for the Mr. Clean Clean Freak products. We haven't seen this coupon in a while, so these are priced at $5.50. Pick up 2, use the coupon, you're going to pay $8 for 2. Alright, moving along, we have 2-off-1 for the Rachel Ray dog food. We have 150 off one for the Finish dishwasher tablets and the Jet Dry Rinse Aid. So the Finish has been a really good deal over the past couple of weeks because we do have those Ibotta rebates. This coupon works on the Finish Jet Dry Rinse Aid. Those are priced at $4.75. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.25. And I think the Ibotta rebate was for $1.25 back or $1.50 back. So that could be a really great deal. Alright, moving on down, we have 150 off one for the Nivea body wash. Those are priced at $5. We have 2 off one for the pull-ups, 3 off one for the Tide. Those are $15.95. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $12.95. We have 150 off one for the Eucerin. Those are $5.75. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.25. We have 1 off one for the Iams dry dog food. Here's a couple of coupons. We're going to go ahead and clip to our accounts, but they're not really great deals, so just to save on time, we're going to skip over some of these. Alright guys, now we have to talk about these DG store coupons for just a second because unfortunately it doesn't seem that they are working on anything. Now hopefully Dollar General will get these coupons to work because these would be some really good deals. And if you guys will notice, some of these don't expire until October the 2nd. So we should have some manufacturer coupons that will come along that we can stack with these coupons. So let's go ahead and definitely clip them to our accounts, and hopefully DG will get them fixed. Here's another really good coupon. If they will get it to work, it's a $3 off when you buy one Pepsi and one Lay's product. Now here's a coupon that we need to talk about as well. It's a 1 off 2 for the big stationery products. This works on a lot of different items. The 10 count pins, those start out at $1.50, so pick up 2 of those. Use that coupon, you're going to pay $2 for 2. However, this coupon is glitching. Here's our one glitch for this week, alright? We have the big whiteout tape. Those are priced at $1.95, so pick up 2. Use the coupon, you're going to pay $2.90 for 2. This coupon is also working on the Big Whiteout liquid. Those are priced at $1, so pick up 2 of those. Use this coupon, you're going to pay $1 for 2. So either one of those deals are great deals and great filler items for Saturday. Now, moving on down to some more of these DG store coupons. Again, go ahead and clip them to your account. It can't hurt. Now, here's a couple that are working as of right now. We have the 2 off 6 for the Suave products. Again, that one doesn't expire until October the 2nd. And we also have that 1 off 4 for the Crayola products. Now, there's a lot that will work with that Crayola coupon as well. And there's a lot of things that are on sale, such as the coloring pencils and the markers. There's some crayons on there for $1. So there's a lot of different ways that y'all can mix and match. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and before you go, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so, and don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help support this channel. Leave me a comment down below, let me know how y'all are doing today, and please take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.